In this video, we're going to learn how to take directions on a coordinate plane. So if we have a problem like this that says start at 5, 7, then move right 2 units, where do you end up? So as I described in my other videos, this is the coordinate plane. It's just a graph. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the origin. That's where the x and y axis meet, right? So we have a coordinate x comma y. X is the position along the x-axis or x-coordinate. So for this one, we know x is going to be 5. That's our x-coordinate. And this y is the position along the y-axis or the y-coordinate. So in this case, it's 7 on the y-axis. So this is called an ordered pair. The ordered pair describes the location of a point on the coordinate plane. So that's going to tell us where 5, 7 is located. So we start at 0. We move 5 units along the x-axis. This is the horizontal position, right? We know we move 5 because it tells us 5. And we know the 5 is the x, right? So let's do that. So we draw an arrow. We start at the origin. We go along till we hit 5 on the x, and then we stop. Okay? Then the next thing we do is we move 7 units along the y-axis. This is the vertical position. But we continue from this point. So we'll move up 7 till we hit 7. So that's how it'll look. Right? We stop here because we know we've hit 7 on the vertical axis. So we know that this point is 5, 7, right? So that's right here. Then you need to move right 2 units. So from here, you have to go this way 2 units, right? So let's show that with some arrows. So here, you move right 2 units and you end up here. So that's it. That's where you stop. So let's mark that spot with a black dot there. And then what is that coordinate? Well, our x is now 7 and our y is still 7. So the point is 7, 7. So you end up at 7, 7. And that's the answer to this. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You can rewatch the video. And remember, anyone can do math. You can do it. And if you need more resources, I have other links to my other videos that are similar to this in the description. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along the lesson there. I have this exact lesson in the ebook and you could take notes.